Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Drew, and I got my brother Nick here. So we're pretty much gonna take over. He's gonna take over this video with this and show you guys what he's got going on. Obviously, you guys see by the package right here, it says Poppies right here. So let's go ahead and show what you guys got. All right, we got some 17 and 19 Super Duty frame overlays. Got the steel plate right here and the mirror stainless steel. This is an upgrade. Not everybody kits come with this right here. It comes with this upgrade, extra option, polished stainless steel. So you never gotta have any maintenance with it. Feeling really nice. So yeah, it came with all the hardware and everything. So this is basically like, you know, pretty much like what you see here is what you get, and then you know you got all the holes right here. You gotta basically, I think you gotta drill them and you gotta tap them. Only a few holes you gotta drill. Yeah, you drill and tap a few holes. So that's pretty much the whole thing. And what he's gonna do with this right here, I think he said he's gonna paint the backside. You're gonna do burgundy. My suspension color is gonna be the backside. Yeah, give you guys a look at them again. This is basically what it's going to look like, except it's going to have the color on it. And yeah, shout out to Poppy's Garage and PJ Trucking for getting this stuff hooked up with us. Alright, so what he's going to do right now, like I said, he's going to get everything prepped up. So he's got one piece over there still, I think. That's already done. But he's got the front frame. These two are going on the front and the frame too. And then these two are rear side of the frame, right and left. So we're going to come out real slick and everything. So we'll just do a little montage of him getting them done. Alright guys, so what else I got going on here is I'm painting some Grom parts. I'll go ahead and show you guys. We're getting them put in the booth and everything, so probably tomorrow I'll show you guys what we're doing with that and what's going on with that and everything. But this can be like a little, you know, what I'm doing right now with the stuff I got going on, but this is what he's got going on right now. Do a little montage or whatever on what he's doing, and then I'll shoot over to the next day, which will be like within like 2 minutes on this video of what I'm doing. So let's go. We got a Honda Grom. We're gonna be painting this right here. These yellow pieces are gonna go from like a yellow, it's like a desert tannish color. So we gotta get this all where we can just, you know, 100% spray it, get all that yellow covered. Let's just go get the other parts, see if we can set everything up correctly, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got everything pretty much ready to go. This one I ended up getting a block of wood and I taped it up and I just stood it right here, you know, where it's pretty stable, so we just spray under it. These little guys here too, like this little trim piece, these guys are all ready to go, all hung up. Alright guys, so this is the color right here that the owner went with. It's, I mean, I don't know what you would really call it, a beige quicksand, Toyota color. So there you go, right there's like a beige color, desert tan, quicksand, whatever you want to call it. I think it'll definitely be really cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing mixed up and get everything sprayed. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we got some new hardware in the building. It's called a Comica Boom XD. Bought them on Amazon and they're really good. I really like them. For the price that I got them for, $159, and then they had a $20 coupon, so it was like $130 out the door, and it was a really good price. So really good stuff right here. If you're trying to do stuff like this, carry it around, you know, just have it right here. And then they got the little you know, microphone. You can have the external lavalier. Put this guy right here and then you connect it, have the little mic right here if you want to do that. But yeah, new hardware. What do you guys think? Sounds good? No? Yes? I think it sounds pretty good. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this color mixed up. Like I said, the beige quicksand color. Do a little time lapse of mixing this color because there's a lot of colors in this. So. Alright guys, so what's up? It is Friday now and we got the motorcycle pieces done. I didn't want to, you know, do like a whole montage on that because the stuff I had to do a lot of, you know, grabbing the parts and everything, but they're done. They look really good, so let's go ahead and look at them. But yeah, guys, here's the color right here, the beige desert tan color. It's like a Toyota color, I believe. Came out really good. Everything came out real slick and everything. This is like the chest area kind of, you know, piece right there, and real good. I like how this color sprayed too, because it covered really good. Within the first coat, everything was pretty much covered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason I was saying that I couldn't really film it is because like this piece right here, it would bounce everywhere. So I had to, you know, like kind of hold it and all that, and I couldn't really film all that. So, and then these pieces too, I didn't want them bouncing around and everything, so I had to hold them down, that way they wouldn't do that. But yeah, they're all done. Let's go take them up there and see if we need to do any buffing to them. The majority of everything came out really good, so I don't think we'll be doing much buffing at all, but yeah.
All right, and something new too I'm gonna be doing to my truck. Right now I'm sitting at an 8-inch all-around McGaughey's lift kit, but has a little bit of front end rake to it. I don't like that too much. Some people do, I just don't like it at all. So I got the PMF suspension, 3.5-inch radius arm drop brackets. Then I got the 8.5-inch soft rise springs. I have a BDS suspensions transfer case indexing kit. Over 8 inches lift kit, then you gotta have your transfer case indexed and clocked to retain your four-wheel drive. PMF extended brake lines for the rear and for the front going on, and I also got some more rock lights going on too on my truck. And I'm going to look at the truck. So it's a 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum 6.7 of course, sitting on 26x16s, 36 1450 Versa tires. Have everything underneath has been recently, in the last few months, all the axles been completely painted. Radius arms painted, shocks painted, coils painted, drop downs for everything painted, sway bar, drag link, track bar, dual steering stabilizers painted. I got a Chaotic Concepts dual steering stabilizer, fully fabricated, with the mirror stainless steel upgrade, of course, for the faceplates, and chrome spikes all around. A good big changing tire size to a bigger tire size. Just don't know what yet. Maybe go 40s, 37s, 38s. Not too sure yet. We got something that works for that Cummins over there too.
All right, guys. So basically, we came to a standstill on Nick's frame plates. He's got these where they're pretty much epoxy primered. It's like the highest build you can put on these things because it's bare metal, so it's gonna hold really good. But as soon as that stuff gets done curing, then he's pretty much gonna sand it down, and then it's ready to go in the booth and get sprayed up with some nice burgundy paint. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. And also, you guys will see it in the next video, I got my own frame plates coming too from Poppy's Garage too, so we'll wait on those two, see what they look like. We got a couple things we got to do to those two as well. Probably just do the same thing, like, you know, burgundy with the frame overlays being stainless, and but they look pretty good. So get over to Nick's right now. We're doing some other stuff on it, doing some transfer case clocking, so let's go look at it. Oh yeah.
I put the plate in.
Come on, bring it, dude. You got all day.
I don't know, that Trans looks like it's in shape compared to a Cummins that I know. I think all the gears are there. Alright, so what do we, you got the plate in already, I guess?
Yeah, got the plate in, torque and everything now.
That's the, what is it, BDS kit?
Ready lift.
Ready lift? So it seemed pretty easy from what they've done. They just took the front drive shaft out and then the rear drive shaft out, and then they pulled some couple screws and then just took it out. So now he's got that going in there, and I guess you got to torque it to a certain amount.
Yeah, 35 foot-pounds.
35 foot-pounds. So yeah, it seems easier than what it is actually, I guess. I thought it was gonna be a bigger operation, but I don't know. What do you think?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good. All right, guys. So Nick went ahead. He got everything done with the transfer case thing. I mean, it's not really something you can really see, but we'll take a look at it right here. So there's the cross member. It's like a drop-down cross member, and then the drive shaft is in there again. So this thing is fully ready to go ahead and go higher, like he said he was going to do. For now, we took out the spacer for the drive shaft because it was a little too much. But yeah, right now it's even got a perfect angle if you really look at it. Right there, it's a really good angle. So, but yeah, when he goes up higher, it's going to be perfect. We could put that spacer back in too. But basically, that's it for this transfer case thing. So now we're going to move on to painting this stuff. All right, guys. So Nick has the parts in the booth now. What he's basically doing is getting them sprayed. He got them sealed already, and that was the thing where like you have to get them sealed to prevent all the rust and everything. So he did that, and then he let it dry, and then he sanded it. So now he's gonna put it in the booth. Actually, he's got it in the booth already. And what we're gonna be doing from here is he's gonna start putting the base on it, which is the burgundy color. And I think he's gonna add that same little pizzazz to it we got going on, which is the pearl. So after we add the pearl, then we'll go ahead and, you know, clear coat it and all that. So basically at this point, he's already in the booth. He got it, you know, going. So let's go ahead and see what he's doing in there. Alright guys, so Nick pretty much got everything done. He's doing a little bit of buffing on the parts right here, but everything is pretty much done. He's got all the frame plates, you know, 100%. And then he also went ahead and did the coils and the drop down. And then this is also the steering link, I think. He did that off camera. We did it yesterday, but everything's pretty much done, ready to go. I don't know when exactly he's gonna put all this together, but you guys will stay tuned for the next video and we'll have it all together. We'll get it all put on. But yeah, guys, pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff done in this video. We went from, you know, doing the transfer case to doing the frame plates, coils, all that stuff, painting all that. And then also painting those motorcycle pieces. So a lot of stuff we got done in this video. And tune in for the next video, we'll be putting pretty much everything on. And then I also got some frame plates coming from my truck as well. But yeah, so catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we got more videos coming out. We'll probably have another video coming out on my dad's Ranger. We got a new part from Star Knight coming in, so we'll probably do that next. But we'll see you guys later. Tune in for the next video. Peace.